Okay friends, I'm showing you how to fix your screen protector on your Galaxy A22. Okay, that's a wet wiper to clean all the dirt on the screen. So you can let the phone be on, or you lightly off it. In my case, my phone is on. Make sure you wipe all the dirt on the screen with the green wiper. That one is wet, so you make sure you use it to wipe all dirt on the surface of the screen. Clean the edges very well. Okay, so you use the dry one to clean the wet surface. You do it properly. Clean or make sure all the wet surface is dried. Okay, so it's time to fix the protector. Make sure to see that it takes the edges very well. This protector doesn't take the entire screen. It takes only some parts. So you make sure it have the same alignment with the places it has to. So you fold back the glue part of it from behind, like how I did exactly. Make sure the camera hole is also well positioned. Okay, you do it carefully. Okay, so you put one hand when you are sure it's on the same alignment. You put one hand there. Make sure you are pressing it down. You are pressing it down, making sure that there is no air in it. Make sure you press it down. When you press it down, and you use the other hand to be taking the glue part of it beneath it slowly, 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 making sure there is no air inside. Your one hand is still pressed on it. Okay, so quickly you compress it to remove all the air. Okay, you can see now it is glued to the screen surface. All right, all right. You can see, wow, very beautiful. Thank you. Subscribe. See you in the next video.